Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Bitcoin from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the evolving market. Whether you're aiming to dodge fees, access better features on Uphold, or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Uphold. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto section. It's usually front and center. Find your Bitcoin holdings and select the option to withdraw or transfer out. This might say something like Send or Withdraw, depending on the interface updates for 2025. Next, you'll need to enter the wallet address from Uphold. Open your Uphold app, go to your Bitcoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Paste that address into the Robinhood withdrawal form, and specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to move. Keep an eye on any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower with improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Before you hit confirm, review everything. Make sure the details match and that you're comfortable with the estimated transfer time, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once you're good, confirm the transaction, and you'll get a confirmation notification. Now, switch over to Uphold and keep an eye on your wallet. You should see the Bitcoin arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Bitcoin's official one. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin from Robinhood to Uphold. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your private keys safe. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.